Notes on pronunciation of Taiwanese. Pronunciation of Taiwanese is not uniform in Taiwan. In this book, we are mostly presenting what may be called the Taitung accent. If, after learning this accent, you will be living in an area with a different pronunciation, it will be quite easy to pick up the new pronunciation, and we recommend this. In fact, however, today in Taiwan, different accents are accepted everywhere because of the great mobility of people caused by industrialization. In the following, we give a simple but effective way of learning the pronunciation of the sounds in Taiwanese. For a full technical treatment, see Carol, Some Practical Notes on the Pronunciation of Taiwanese. A. Vowels. Taiwanese has 6 vowels, represented by the symbols A, E, I, O, double O, U. 1. A. The vowel A is pronounced like ah in the English father. 2. E. The vowel E is pronounced like A in the English gray. 3. I. The vowel I has 2 pronunciations. 1. When used alone or when followed by a glottal stop H, I is pronounced like the E in machine, i.e. with the English long E sound. 2. When followed by any consonant but H, I has the English short I sound, as in his. 4. O. The vowel O has 2 pronunciations. 1. When used alone or when followed by a glottal stop, H, O is pronounced approximately like the O in no. 2. When followed by any consonant but H, O is pronounced like the aw in law. 5. Double O. The vowel double O is pronounced like the aw in law. 6. U. The vowel U has 2 pronunciations. 1. When used alone or when followed by the glottal stop H, U is pronounced like the oo in the English to. 2. When followed by any consonant but H, U is pronounced like the ut in foot.